We're making our homemade banana bread. Every time we make this quick bread, we are blown away by its deliciousness. Start at the stove. We need to melt 1 stick of butter, and since I love walnuts in this bread, I'm also toasting a half cup of nuts. If you don't want nuts in your bread, skip this. Now for the dry ingredients. Whisk 1½ cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. As always, the full recipe with more tips is on Inspired Taste. Now that we've got the dry ingredients ready, move them aside and grab another bowl. Mash 3 ripe bananas in the bottom of it. The more ripe your bananas are, the better the banana bread will be. We want brown and speckly bananas for this, otherwise the bread won't taste as good. Now that the bananas are mashed into a chunky paste, pour in the melted butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 lightly beaten eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything together, switch to a spatula, and mix the flour mixture into the banana mixture. I do this in 3 stages so that the batter mixes easily. Last but not least, add the toasted nuts. If you enjoy chocolate chip banana bread, this is a great time to add chocolate chips. Fill a greased and lined loaf pan with the batter and smooth the top. Then slide the bread into a 350° Fahrenheit oven and bake until a knife inserted into the center of the bread comes out clean, which takes between 55 and 75 minutes. Allow the bread to cool a bit before slicing. And that's it, our favorite recipe for banana bread. It's so good, you'll want to make 2 loaves. You can find the full recipe with lots of tips on Inspired Taste. Enjoy, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.